So, can we start with introducing yourself and about your company, your role in the company?
Yeah, I'm CEO and founder of Awery Software. We are now 16 years old company. We are originally a Ukrainian company, 100 people now, and we provide solutions for different aviation industries. So we work with airlines, cargo and passenger. We work with cargo GSAs. We serve more than 46 GSAs using our system now. Charter brokers, trip support providers. Also now we started with freight forwarders and cargo ground handling.
So, Awery has positioned itself at the forefront of cargo digitalization. What major technology advancements are you prioritizing in 2026 to transform air cargo operations further?
So of course we are like one of the early supporters with one record, and we're really trying to push with our customers or other parties to do the POCs, and I really hope to get some real results by like Q3, Q4 this year. And on top of it, of course, it's like a trend, not like a trend, but it's a reality, and you need to embed like AI tools inside the packages for cargo. So we are now having like AI tools which can read emails, process the data, which can like reply to in WhatsApp. And also we're working on predicting capacity, predicting the dynamic pricing and so on.
Your company achieved this success at the ITA One Record Hackathon. So, how will One Record reshape data exchange between airlines, handlers, forwarders, and technology providers?
Yeah, we actually won 5 hackathons now with IATA, which was, yeah, it's a really nice experience, I would say. And also it allows you to deep dive in one record, what is it? So it's not really a messaging technology, yeah, it's like a data sharing technology, or how exactly we might need, or how to make it in one standard way to share data between the industry. And I think one of the nice concepts of one record is that you have one source of truth, that everyone is using the same data, and it's always, you get always the latest and updated version. So I really think it's like a next step of integrating all the parties in the air cargo chain. But from the other side, I see also that people still think one record is more like messaging technology, which it is not. So it really requires a bit more involvement of the parties to make it happen and to make it work. So not only IT providers, but also airlines, forwarders, all the parties involved to be able to support it and promote it.
So, the integration of a ITA CO2 Connect for cargo brought shipment level emissions visibility into your ERP platform. What new sustainability focused digital solutions are next on your roadmap?
Well, we were one of the first who signed up for IATA CO2 Connect platform. I really think the best benefit of it, because it gives you the measurement of CO2, which is like approved by IATA. So it's like, I would think it's like approved by the industry, because we see a lot of projects are now doing the CO2 emissions, and every of them will give you different data, correct? So it's more like what is the greenwashing and what is the actual data. And I really think like, especially like in Europe, CO2 emissions is very like critical subject. And we're all looking for the greener economy and greener like lifestyle, correct? And we see the heat of the planet is already happening. So I think it will be, maybe not this year, but from next year, it will be a decision-making process. It's not only what is the fastest way, what is the cheapest way, but also what is the greenest way. And I think we see it already, like when we do like Google Maps here with drive the road, Google is already showing you, okay, if you go this way, it will be greener route. And I actually sometimes prefer to use it. So I think the same will happen in air freight.
So, the partnership with Group Concord aims to centralize global GSSA operations through Awery's ERP platform. How do you see this model evolving across the global cargo sales ecosystem?
I think as a neighbor, we have a unique product for cargo GSA, and that's like helped us to reach bigger and bigger customers. So I think like Network Aviation Group and Group Concord is a good example that our platform can really work and digitize the cargo GSA sales, where, you know, a lot of them think that it's not so important, but the better you can connect them, customers, airlines, and GSA in between, the better efficiency you get. So I think this is like a win-win situation for both.
So, AI is becoming a key driver in aviation technology. Where is Awery applying AI today, and what AI-powered capabilities can customer expect next?
Yeah, so for now, it's already like reading email and analyzing the mail and actually extracting the required data that's done by AI. We also use AI where, for example, your sales teams, like, you can just basically have a call with a customer, and it's automatically transcribing and like processing the data. So yeah, next way will be using AI for dynamic pricing, market analysis, capacity control, and predictions of capacity.
So right now we are in China. So like what opportunities and prospect do you see in the China market? What are your plans for the China market?
I think China market is really great and it's very big, and we know that it's a bit hard to to be present here and to grow here. But we already like announced yesterday we signed a partnership with Oriental Sky, and we will try to offer cargo booking as a platform for the local market. And I think as China is one of the biggest exporter of different kind of products, especially like e-commerce, electronics, and other stuff, I think it will be booming.
So like how are the partnerships shaping your product development strategy and global expansion plans? Like you recently partnership with Oriental Sky Aviation.
That means that our solution is getting more localized, so we're able to adapt to the local requirements and local ways and processes and taxes. So I think it just make our platform bigger and better, and means we're able to cater even like more customers in future and more markets.
And what are the biggest technology trends that will redefine air cargo management over the next 5 years? And how is Awery preparing for them?
Yeah, I think what we see, there is a lot of legacy system, but not only legacy system, but that you have a lot of separated systems which then need to talk, which is other. What we are trying to do with Awery, we are trying to combine a lot of stuff in one system, like from quoting, booking, revenue management, accounting, and profitability calculation, like in one flow, that it really will streamline and make airlines or GSA or preferred make a better decision where the system actually supports with the data. And I think with using the proper system now in our world, it makes companies having a competitive advantages. So I really think like Awery is a system which is very scalable, very adaptable, and it can give our customers a competitive advantages.
So coming to my last question, what are the company's key priorities in 2026 and beyond in terms of products, markets, and innovation? Like what are your future outlook for 2026 and beyond?
Yeah, so we are heavily investing in development of cargo booking as a platform, and we see more and more traction. We just successfully passed 1 million quotes last week. So it shows the results that the platform is working. So for next year, we are now also trying to go live with a charter booking platform, similar what we created cargo booking for air freight quotes. So we're doing the similar product for charter. And the next, we can say, development in Awery package is like again, dynamic pricing, AI-powered tools, analytics, and so on.
Right. I think that is all. Thank you so much for speaking. Thank you. Thank you.